You think inflation is the Fed's fault? It's actually a logistics problem wearing a financial mask. We've been blaming the wrong villain since 2022. Let's clear the air. Monetary inflation is when the money supply outpaces actual goods. Fiscal inflation is when the government hands out stimulus checks faster than warehouses can stock them. You printed $5 trillion. Fine. But try buying a washing machine when the factory only has 3 capacitors left. Here's the real bottleneck. Semiconductor fabrication plants take 18 months to build. Shipping routes get rerouted by a single blocked canal. You can't 3D print a global supply chain overnight. The incentive structure is completely backwards, so factories panic. They offer signing bonuses. Wages jump. Prices jump harder. Welcome to the wage price spiral. It's not greed. It's demographic velocity meeting enforcement latency. Workers leave. Managers quit. The system literally runs out of hands to push buttons. Enter the Fed. Rate hikes feel like a sledgehammer to the economy, but they are not misdirected. They are necessary pain. You don't fix a clogged drain by yelling at the pipes. You turn off the faucet. But wait, why can't we just fix the supply chain? Legislative friction. Building infrastructure takes decades of committee hearings, environmental reviews, and zoning lawsuits. You want speed. Try navigating a permitting process designed in 1995. Global trade isn't broken. It's just expensive. Tariffs, nearshoring, and friendshoring are just fancy words for we're paying a premium to avoid geopolitical skill issues. The market adjusts. Consumers feel it. Politicians blame the Fed. Classic weak design choice. So what actually caused the price spike? A perfect storm of fiscal overdrive, supply chain paralysis, and labor market exhaustion. Money printing just amplified it. It didn't cause it. Blaming the Fed for broken logistics is like blaming the thermometer for the fever. You're not crazy. Your grocery bill isn't crazy. It's a systemic tax on convenience. We outsourced manufacturing, then expected just-in-time delivery to survive a pandemic. That's not economics. That's wishful thinking with a balance sheet. Rate hikes hurt, but they're the only circuit breaker we have. Fix the supply chain. Lower the friction. Let the market breathe, or keep blaming the wrong villain. Your call. Drop your hot take in the comments. I'll be here judging it.